Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add stickers to your boards and cards in your Trello workspace really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. So what you want to do in the first step is select your workspace here in Trello. So let me go with that one here for the sake of this tutorial. And let me head over to one of these boards here. So let's say, for example, for that one here, and here to the right, you will see your to-do lists and associated cards below. So what you want to do is select the card, like for example that one here, and what you want to do after that is click on these three dots in the top right corner and select stickers from that drop-down menu and simply browse through that library of featured stickers and pick the one you would like to use and add to your card. Now this works super intuitively guys. All you will need to do is left click on the given sticker, hold your left mouse and drag the given sticker to your card and release your mouse there. Just like that. As you can see, you can place these cards these stickers anywhere you like. You can also click on that X icon to remove the given sticker. And yeah, let me add, for example, that thumbs up icon or sticker, then that husky icon here, or sticker, then one of these computer stickers, and so on and so forth. You may also add custom stickers by clicking on that plus icon here and upload these, for example, from your device. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.